Kwaba and found brand GCN page so Mestral subscribe to my channel. Found some bell on the so ube a notification and some air coso may be obey beauty and I say ube your share GCN page ha. Meaning a day adjoa searching. Ghana phobia near bre papa. Nanny bringing you now a good politicians no eso because a mouth of be brain drain a you almost say. Aho. Politicians no dada edi enhamo kamia kwesa mafu bebre any ebie omo adwuma ebie nkane politics no omo ajaye sisi omo atena se a calculate ehuni ama se dabi politicians no chese omo age ni ye nti enya mafu ani abre papa na titiru pa eyo omo amote amanone a omo chese niama ekoso yie wo ho nti adenti na Ghana ye wo bibia no enyama enkoso yie sa na Ghana fu bi omo abrochi na sisi omo ani abra chese omo so mba be sorry papa because hey oye aban na se ubu oman na ebia nye menyina na behu enyama one or two bu ho a ebia won hyeda emfa wadwen enkoso sa enti no his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo na MPP Amayoko mu de montena se na mo relax na mo ye steady na Ghana fu bi so mbekon amamo na omo amoti amano ne ena omo ekyerese omo ba bagigi sika na omo afa lawyer enye lawyer ba ko mienu miensa ene lawyer omo befa de nyame no ni enti sika na omo gigi na omo ma emu aye du papa na ne omo de abaga na ha no na de omo ba ye ne se eye NDC Amayoko omo etwe no ko omo opposition na chese omo kuku se 2024 meba ba me no emu ministers ni bi me kire ministers a omo abebo o man Ghana abeye adwuma abo o man Ghana omo etwe no ko no ebi mo eje double salary na double salary na ministers ni di etwe meje ne Ghana fu bi so omo tenase no omo calculate omo ye times manuals omo etiti nyema bi fifima no omo hwa enyema enkoyie enti sika na de keneken so omo je because some crofokro na omo complain say Ghana ha ye ni hospital beds ye ni enough hospitals ye ni schools and the chese niama Ghana fu bi keka say enkoso ye wo man ni nyasem keto akora enti say waje double salary dia fabra double na oje no chemi tu na fafa ne bra na yemfanye eniama enkoyie e wo man Ghana mu nti say ministers no mo atwemo kono omo je double salary a mo betu akora na mo ho akire mo omo fa lawyers omo fi Ghana akora na mo akodi se bi nse mu akire omo de lawyers if baby omo ewo no eba na omo de mo akogina dake na double salary no mo age enti no Ghana fu bi omo abro kire se enye aban ne nyame nyina no behu o enti no omo so bebo aban no enti Nana Addo na MPP Amayoko mo ka mo akomantu mu yem na omo eba bebo amo na say na omo de etuja
why almost na homa opposition party mom no dictate pace ma NDC for a free holiday and agenda, then the NPP has to go to the media and go and respond. For some person say you know, on am free. Double salaries are ya no mojiji you know am free. It's there near one is through almost by now can wait in a court no more. They will rather be defended.
Yeah.
Oh, ye kuma ye ya sana chese bu NSC ye nyina ya ba mutimi bu it I think se me va cho miteo
oh no kasa you are making a lot of sense
se udi omochi ana I say ye di omochi ne kra no sometimes ne ehu account
yeah
one enkofo ni na mukroyi mu na chese omo na right now no mu take country to ransom omo ni mo bia clearly NDC for ni mo bia omo de be Ghana all they seek is to just come to power steal and get money for themselves and leave the country whichever way eti e betna ho aman hyehyɛ na na do aye free SHS ni we nyina no eti e betna ho man kofo ya be say ni nyina and bro very painful.
And I think
it's so painful.
I think say omoba free SHS no betwem.
I won't doubt you.
Yeah, wouldn't say 2018 2018 Mr. Mahama can say no 2 billion on finding free education. So he made that statement. And a general secretary said no ketiazo I don't know cry there by and the first no meeting ketwem. He said it on Asempa. Was it free education omoba now we have to say MP no friend saying Tamale Central today, MP na or no con ya populace say Akufo-Addo since it is COVID into on University for first a year no. We have to say MP na nkasa You started free education, you know. That was the MP that took Nanadu to court. So I didn't know the Ghana Education College School. So
absolutely.
The NDC MP who took Nana to court.
Absolutely.
Court.
And there are so many examples. Free healthcare. NHIS. Feeding we are basic school program. It clearly but me who be I not support the NDC. Me share the year radu bo nipa horo. Me who NDC near just maintenance here. But clearly, a body muno and you be an a pese area sebejo. Sebi all the bones some crab it na hose yam to aba. Ubenya nipa beko to aba mabon me who NDC supporters as people of that kind. Now me we made man no sino. I think that from ya na me refi papa man kokoya say I ambassador or no only deep Supreme Court BB. Oh my God.
Addison.
There be nodness only did so one of the major cases the Supreme Court, you know. I'm sorry, Abu. Oh, this or fair man be I'm to say an ambassador cry.
Why Hamid and
they be or you can see a thing be it's never make a cusine say it's young Casayan to mean the detour. You bet me did it to us more be a Ghana, not or sister Abia to say ministers are opposition ministers a J double salary no. Or no one can stand the more court. I probably say young take it be and yes say a mainstream politics munkwan ye best every of mine. Ubi din some for citizens, yes to me take you on. It is a young starting did it to be not ye bet young quick back on the MP lawyers in Ghana. Na yen someone we started on could take you on
good. Cause of your big before and talk with your memoir. Yeah, and sometimes I can say yeah, no Ghana for ni bin junior, yeah, ne bin tiase. Me ka say e bin junior, yeah, ne bin tiase. Ma me papa, and talk with si baby a. Yeah, mama de ye ho edin o. Yeah, mama, ye ho edin. But mo ma enkora, ye merewa, ye papa nom, empanifo, ye dwane afa he. And na Ghana ye way, empanifo ni bi okra sebe, ye so mo de omo ba bontin, obi na so mo mu no de omo ba bontin. Now, picture say one nana was a situation anymore. So would you call for war for Ghana? Ghana knew what Jimmy said. On Fana Jimmy Mamino say, so one nana yare for Ghana. Is this the time you will call for a war in Ghana? All because somebody didn't become president? All because your number one darling boy did not become president. The irony and the sad thing about it, and they say he has been a president before. Ghana for mama engineer. Marie Buadu Bayfo no or to UK. Ne ma wo ho. Eti wo every tea, ebo pancake. Ne nimu sa no wo de bo pons e de beye e camera. Wo te Ghana. Adwon wo ene wo de no emo kakra no kura hwit mo kakra no kura ye de ama wo. Oba fun we ka kire se kokon to make us sure because Mahama is not the president. Na Jimmy for also when this intino. Chinchina, I support Marie. Now I will show you why she's evil. Now me, this time they were teaching. Marie, me say wo this time we're teaching na tobo. Mama min kulu kakra because and then me person show ne be basa debi. We have a duty. And our duty is to educate. And that is what we are going to do. Number one. As a matter of Unim, let me start with her. I will start with Marie Boadu. As a matter of fact, I will start with Marie Boadu. Okay. Ghana people watching me and everybody watching me today. I want you guys to know something because I'm about to introduce a very criminalized mind, wicked, envious, jealousy lady to you. I want you to open your ears and listen to what I'm about to say. Because everything I'm going to say about this woman, Marie Amoakwa Boadu Beifuo, is nothing and nothing but the truth. So help me God. And if Marie Boadu claims she has balls, she has wings, Marie, I dare you. Marie, I dare you. I'm very serious about this. I dare Marie Boadu. If Marie Boadu thinks she's educated, she is smart and ready, I swear, Marie Boadu, I give you two choices. Number one, take me to the police you said you have reported me to. Let them process me for court and tell them the reason why they should process me for